Hello, friends. Welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Together, we learn through little moments, ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples, friendly conversations, and short stories that help. English stick in your mind.
So you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. Today, we're going somewhere emotional, exciting, and a little bittersweet.
Yes. Today's topic is at the airport, saying goodbye to family. A moment full of feelings and full of useful English.
So grab your suitcase and your tissue. Just kidding. Well, maybe not.
Adam, do you remember the last time you said goodbye at an airport?
Oh, yes. I once dropped my sister off. She was going abroad for the first time. She was excited, but also nervous.
Oh, I had a similar moment with my mum. She hugged me so tightly, I almost missed my flight.
That's a real airport moment, full of love and stress at the same time.
Let's learn some simple airport words. Word 1, departure, meaning when you leave a place. Example, my departure time is 6 a.m. Word 2, boarding pass, meaning a ticket that lets you get on the airplane. Example, show your boarding pass at the gate. Word 3, gate, meaning the place where you wait to enter the plane. Example, your gate number is B12. Word 4, carry-on bag, meaning the small bag you take inside the plane. Example, my carry-on bag has snacks and headphones.
Repeat after me. Where is the departure gate?
Can you help me with my bags?
I will miss you.
Have a safe flight. Let me tell you a short airport story. Last year, my cousin moved to another country for work. At the airport, she hugged her mother and said, "Don't worry, I'll call you every day." Her mother smiled with tears and replied, "Go chase your dreams."
Ah, that's beautiful. Airports are full of goodbyes, but also full of new beginnings. Here are real English phrases people use at airports. Do you have your passport? Let me know when you land. Text me when you arrive. I'll be waiting for your message.
And a nice idiom for today, meaning when the airplane leaves the ground or when something becomes successful. Example, her new life will take off in a good way.
Alice, why do people walk so fast in airports?
Because they're trying to reach their dreams or the bathroom. Either way, it's urgent. When you say goodbye, at an airport, it's emotional. But remember, goodbye means you have someone to miss and someone who loves you enough to wait.
And with English, you can say goodbye clearly, kindly, and confidently.
Thank you for learning with us today. You did amazing.
Make sure to practice the phrases, stay confident, and keep your English flying high.
See you next time on Amjee's English World.